Hey guys, I'm back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to draw cartoon parrot. Parrot. Okay, so it's kind of hard to pronounce. If you don't get what I'm saying, please read the title. Alright, so we're gonna start off by drawing the most basic part first, which is drawing a circle. So this circle will represent the parrot head. Okay, and then I'm gonna use a Sharpie. Yeah, if you haven't drawn a circle yet, please pause the video and draw it. So if you want to draw the parrot very big, draw a bigger circle, or very small, draw a smaller circle. This circle will give you a guideline on how big the parrot is. Right, so we're gonna start off by drawing the head first. So not the head, the peak. Yeah, the head. Okay, so we're gonna draw a line down right here. Okay, so this part will be represent the head, and then we're gonna draw a big peak. So parrot have big like peaks. So we're gonna draw a big circle. You gotta draw a pretty big, right? But not too big though. Too big will be oversized, so it will not look good. So okay, so that's why we use a circle and give us a scale like a guideline on how big the peak we should draw. And yeah, it's always a good thing to do to use a guideline. Okay, I know most of you there's no right way or wrong way to draw it, but but using a guideline it does always help. It won't hurt. Okay, but that's not your style. It's not your style. Like using a guideline, I suggest you stick with your own style, because there's no right way to draw everything. Okay, so this is basically represent the peak. Okay, alright, so we're gonna add another line to it. Okay, so second line, and add another line right below that. Okay, and then we're gonna draw this parrot, a pretty cool parrot hat. Okay, so what kind of style? So it's I'm going to draw a basic style. Okay, so we're going to draw a line curve over, so that we can start right here. Okay, then we're gonna draw one big curve, like a rainbow curve, right? And then another line inside of it. Okay, and then we gotta draw the other side of that curve. Okay, so it look like that, right? Then we're gonna add some detail. Alright, and the next part we can draw in a big eyes. Okay, so the eyes is right here. So we're gonna draw a circle, one big circle. Okay, so this will represent the parrot eye, and then we're gonna draw another circle inside of it. This will represent the eye pupil. Okay, just draw a circle. Okay, and then we're gonna draw a cheek, little bitty cheek right here, to represent to finish drawing it. Okay, and then he's wearing something that parrots always wear. I don't know what you call it. I think you call that headbands or something like that. You look pretty cool if you wear it. Okay, so we're gonna draw a lines to represent to draw the structure of it. Okay, so you look like this. Okay, the next part we're going to move on drawing the body. Alright, so the body you can just follow this line down. Okay, so it'll be right here. Alright, and then we'll draw a line down right here as well. Okay, so it's keep curving it down. Okay, oh, let me zoom out. Okay, so it'll look like this. Okay, then he got his left hand is holding a sword. Okay, so what kind of sword would you like? Let me see. We can just draw a sword, that's pretty simple sword that most pirates use. Okay, So if you look like this, and then we're gonna draw him some feather fingers. Okay, so it like that, and curve in. Okay, and another last curve right here. So this will be the end of it. Okay, so connect it. Let's make this a little bit bigger. Then we're gonna draw some curly lines. Alright, this will be the bottom part of the sword. Okay, and then we're gonna draw the sword top part. So it'll be right here. Make some lines. Okay, then draw it down. Okay, then we can draw a line curve to the middle. Make sure you draw that line pretty quick. Right, so you'll know like this. And then this feather, this arm will be like randomly put it, not randomly, just boringly put it down, not doing anything. Okay, because I think this arm is kind of tired right here. Just put it down like that. Then we're gonna draw another layer to it. Okay, so this will be the second layer. Right, and the next part, we're gonna draw here a leg. So the leg will be right here. Alright, so we just draw a big circle that looking like a chicken wing. Chicken wing. I love. Do you like guys like chicken wings? I love chicken wings. I eat them most of the time. My favorite food. Okay. And then so we just gotta draw some toes to represent the feet. Okay. So we're gonna draw another chicken shape right here. Okay, so it'll be just pretty simple legs. If you guys want, you can draw in like nails. So I can draw in some nails for him. So the nails kind of look scary, right? So you look like a dragon nail. No, not dragon nail, chicken nail. Okay. Let me see if I can zoom out some more. Right, like I can see. Okay. And that's basically it. Let me draw a pirate symbol right here. So the pirate symbol will be pretty easy. So we just draw a circle. Okay, lines, 2 dots, a mouth. Okay, so draw some dog's favorite food, bones, right here. Alright. Right, so this will be a pirate symbol. Okay, then the next part, I'm gonna use watercolor to color it in. So if you guys don't have watercolor, my watercolor is very cheap. I just bought it for $1 at a grocery store. So it's not professional watercolor or anything. So if you guys want to get, if you don't have watercolor, you use color pencil or any coloring material or color markers, Sharpies, or anything you want to color it. It'll be pretty cool. Okay, so I'm gonna use Alright guys, I am done with this drawing. So this is basically how to draw a cartoon parrot with pirate style. Okay, thank you guys so much for watching. If you don't have paint, as I said before, you can use color pencil or anything that can color it. So if you look like this, you can color different color if you want, or green color for the feathers or anything. Okay, it look pretty good. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll be back with a new video as soon as possible.